Hello everyone, this is Emily. I'd like to welcome you to this Uni-edit video. How do I use a colon to join mutual content? A good metaphor for the colon is a gate on a fence. It connects two closely related spaces, yet there is a clear separation between the two locations. Let's look at how we can join two sentences by mutual content using a colon. The main rule behind this usage of the colon is ensuring the part before the colon sounds like a complete sentence. A good way to check to see if your colon use is correct is to imagine just the first part before the colon. If it sounds complete, you have used the colon correctly. Let's review some examples to explain what we mean. Correct example. Two possible strategies exist. Individuals either continue to invest in development or cease reproduction. Read the part before the colon. Two possible strategies exist. Yes, this sounds like a complete sentence. Incorrect example. Two possible strategies are: individuals either continue to invest in development or cease reproduction. Incorrect, because the terms before the colon do not form a complete sentence. An additional rule for colon use. The second part after the colon completes and explains with more detail the part before the colon. Correct example. The artificial diet showed a positive growth effect, colon. Individuals gained more weight and survived better. Incorrect example. The artificial diet showed a positive growth effect, comma. Individuals gained more weight and survived better. Incorrect, because this uses a comma splice and creates a run-on sentence. The bleached samples were statistically significant, colon. P-values ranged between 0.02 and 0.001. A colon is preferred over a semicolon because the second sentence completes and explains the first sentence. The bleached samples were statistically significant, comma. P-values ranged between 0.02 and 0.001. Incorrect, because this uses a comma splice and creates a run-on sentence. Is this correct or incorrect usage? Our study tested the following conditions: colon, whether the experimental 30 to 70 P to C group showed different growth responses than the 50 to 50 P to C control group. Let's check the first part to see if it sounds like a complete sentence. Our study tested the following conditions. Yes, it sounds like a complete sentence. Once again, this is Emily from Uni-edit. We hope you enjoyed this tip. Have a wonderful day!